Ever wondered what you'd do if you got stranded on a deserted island? Don't worry, we've all had that daydream. But today, we're getting practical. Because let's face it, after battling the elements, you'll need a place to rest your weary head. In this video, we'll be your guide to creating a comfortable-ish shelter on a deserted island. So grab your metaphorical coconuts and let's get building. Finding the perfect spot. Not all beaches are created equal. Look for a location. Elevated. Avoid low-lying areas prone to flooding or high tides. Sheltered. Find protection from wind and sun. Look for natural barriers like trees or rock formations. Resource-rich, ideally, near a source of fresh water and materials for building. Building your shelter. There are two main options depending on your resources. Lean to shelter, simple and quick. Find a sturdy log or tree trunk and lean it against a rock or sturdy branches. Cover the top and sides with leaves, palm fronds, or anything you can find to create a barrier against the elements. A-frame shelter. More complex, but offers better protection. Find two sturdy branches and prop them together in an A-frame shape. Lash them together with vines or strips of bark. Cover the frame with leaves, branches, or anything you can find to create a secure shelter. Bonus tip, if you have any clothing or fabric scraps, use them as a door flap for added protection and privacy. Shelter essentials. Here are some additional things to consider for a more comfortable stay. Insulation, line the floor with leaves or grass for some padding. Fire safety, create a fire pit outside your shelter away from flammable materials. Ventilation, leave some air gaps for ventilation to avoid moisture buildup. Remember, the key is to prioritize safety and functionality. Your shelter should protect you from the elements and provide a space to rest and conserve energy. So there you have it. With a little ingenuity and resourcefulness, you can create a decent shelter even on a deserted island. Of course, we hope you never find yourself in that situation, but hey, knowledge is power. Stay safe out there, adventurers.